Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cabbage achar. First, you'll need 1 medium cabbage, 2 tablespoons of salt, and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Begin by finely shredding your cabbage. Then, combine the shredded cabbage with the salt and turmeric powder in a large bowl, ensuring everything is well mixed. Allow this mixture to rest for about 30 minutes. This step is crucial for drawing out any excess water, which helps achieve the perfect texture for your achar. Next, let's prepare our aromatic spice blend. You'll need 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds and 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, lightly toasted and coarsely ground. In a separate pan, heat 1/2 cup of mustard oil until it just begins to smoke, then let it cool slightly to around 180 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and 3 slit green chilies to the warm oil, allowing them to sizzle gently for about 1 minute. Now, it's time to bring everything together. Thoroughly squeeze out all the water from your salted cabbage. This step is vital for a crisp achar. Add the drained cabbage to the cooled oil mixture with the ginger, garlic, and chilies. Incorporate your ground spice blend and 1/4 cup of white vinegar. Mix everything very well to ensure the flavors are evenly distributed. Finally, taste and adjust the seasoning, adding more salt or chili powder if you prefer. Once your cabbage achar is perfectly mixed, transfer it into a clean, dry, and airtight glass jar. This ensures it stays fresh and flavorful for longer. For the best taste, refrigerate the achar for at least 24 hours before you serve it. This allows all the wonderful flavors to meld beautifully. It's a fantastic condiment that pairs well with many meals. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade cabbage achar.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.